Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some modern hairstyle ideas. First up, we have this beautiful hair transformation. This one features someone who has salt and pepper hair, and they also ended up getting an undercut pixie cut. Next up, we have an all blonde pixie cut. Followed by this bob haircut. So the stylist is doing a beautiful traditional bob style for this particular cut. Gorgeous blonde hair coloring. Adding in some tousled curls for some texture. Beautiful. And then we have another bob haircut. So this one is also by Dom Dom Hair. Beautiful kind of reddish brown hair coloring, ginger. And it looks like the stylist added some beautiful bangs in the front as well. Next up, we have more of a pixie haircut. Beautiful bangs in the front. And then we have this gorgeous pixie transformation. So it looks like she decided to cut the pixie and go a little bit shorter. And then we have another bob haircut transformation from Dom Dom Hair. And then we have this gorgeous lob hair transformation. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.